What's up YouTube? I'm here with the brand new JBL Quantum 800 headset with the first unboxing video. Let's dive right in. So if we open it up, folds open like that. We've got the headset and some fancy graphics here. Go ahead and cut this out. And the whole thing comes out. Feels pretty nice at first inspection. Got some tie-downs here.
Cut these off.
Just like that, we have them out. First glance, they feel pretty light for a wireless headset like this. Pads feel pretty thick, as you can see. Mic flips up. Overall, the build quality feels very solid so far. Very comfortable, not too heavy on the head. Yeah, looking good so far. Probably have some more cables, documentation, different stuff there. So, taking this, we open that, and there is the adapter and all the cables and the booklet that it comes with. Taking this, JBL Quantum 800, and a bunch of safety pamphlets. Cool. This is the wireless adapter. This works with the PS4 and the PC, I think, primarily. And then we have a nice braided USB-C to USB-A cable for charging the device. And finally, we have a 3.5mm cable, which is what you would use if you're connecting it to the Xbox One or the Switch. That's pretty much all the components that came with it. The back of the box. Yeah, looking forward to testing this out, and it's kind of the first unboxing video. I didn't really see any others on YouTube, so if you want to know what's in the box, there it is. Signing off. Bye.